Hello everyone, I am here back to live. So I have to solve some problem which most of the customers were facing. So actually the problem was related to selected images which were displaying on product page. So here you can see that this is the product page, and here we have the color swatches. So for example, blue, sage, cotton, and accordingly you can see that in the bottom we have those specific colors displaying. For example, this is white color, and if I am selecting any other swatch, so it display according to that. So this was the problem faced by many other people. So I thought that I have to explain again, and I have also improved the code. So I will show you step by step that how you can do it yourself into your store. And this is the latest update in the Shopify. So let me show you that what are the steps which you have to follow. So this is the dashboard of the store. So you can see that I have installed down theme. So I'm going to install a fresh down theme. For example, this one. And after installing it, I will have to do some customizations. So I already added the documentation, latest documentation here. So you should follow each step which I will be doing into this video. So let me show you how you will do that. So this is the theme which I have down. So if you have any other free theme, for example, we have other themes like all the free themes like Spotlight, Sense theme. So let me show you from here. Most popular. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. So for example, Spotlight, Refresh, Sense, Craft, and Refresh, and there are many other free themes. So if you will be implementing this code over there, so this will work. So let me publish this theme which I have just installed. So you can see that we have 14.0.0 version. This is the latest one. And firstly you should go to the documentation, and here you can see that we have the first step, which is update all text of images in the gallery for each product. So for your convenience, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it from scratch. So let me click on products. I have to create a new product here. For example, I am writing here t-shirt for boys, and then I'm going to drag all those images over here. So for example, these are all those images I have put here, and then I have to mention the price, for example, and let me do some small editing. So for example, quantity is 50, and then let me save the changes. So yeah, the problem here is like I have same color images. So let me do one more thing. I have already existing product because for this product I don't have multiple images. So for example, I'm considering this product. So this is the one where I have multiple colors. Like for this color I have three more images, for black color I have 4 images, and for the white color I have 4 images. Okay, so I have already created a color variant, black, white, ice blue. So one thing you have to do here is you should click on the product, and you should edit the alt text. Here you can see that I have added ice blue. So let me show you where you can find this. For example, this is the ice blue. So you should copy this name from here, and then you should click here and paste the name here, then click on save. In the same way, you should go to the next, paste the name here, similarly for other images. And then after you have any other color, for example black, I already added black, but make sure that the spelling should be same as that of color variant. Okay, so once you have done all these things, then you should go ahead to the coding part. So where we have to do is here is the online store, and I need to click on these 3 dots, click on edit code. And before editing code, I need to go to the customize section. So let me show you what exactly I mean to say. Click on customize, and here we have, for example, this catalog. And for say example, I am considering this product, and you can see that this is looking like this. All right, so I am going to click here product information, and I need to click like show thumbnails, and here I'm putting small. Here we have a desktop layouts tagged. I need to put here thumbnail carousel. So now you can see that we have all those small images displayed here and bigger images is here. Okay, then you should actually uncheck this one and click on save. Once you have done that, then you should actually go to the coding part, and here you need to follow the documentation. So firstly, you should update all text of images in the gallery of each product, which I already did. The next step is go to snippets, open product-media-gallery.liquid. So copy this name from here, go to search box, paste the name here, and here you can see that product-media-gallery.liquid, and inside of it you need to paste below code in first li of ul. Actually these are the element, and add class desktop view show it. Okay, let me show you. Actually you should copy this name from here and go back to the code and scroll it down, and here you can see that we have ul, and inside of it we have li. So this is the first li inside of it. So this li tag is opening here, and this is the angular bracket. Just above it we need to paste the new code. Before pasting the new code you need to add the class first. So this is the class. You should paste the class name here, desktop view show it. So this was the thing which I added now, and then copy this code from here and paste it right here. You can see that these two lines I have just pasted. Then after, move ahead with the next thing, which is then in the first loop of for media in product.media. So actually this is the loop which we need to find here. So let me show you. So once you are finding using Control F or maybe Command F, you can see that we have only two loops. So in the first loop, what we have to do is we have to paste below code in the li opening tag. Also add this class, this class I also need to add in the li tag, but other than that I need to paste this code also in the first loop. So this is the first loop, and this is li tag, and inside of this li tag I am going to add that class name which I added above, and then I need to copy this code and paste it inside of this opening tag. So this is the opening tag. I already mentioned you that this li tag is starting from here. Actually this is the opening tag of it. So this is the angular bracket, and just before it I have pasted this line of code. Okay, then after, paste below code in second loop of media product.media. So I already mentioned you, like if I'm searching media, so we have two loops. The first loop is on the top 91 line number, and the second is here. So in the second loop we are going to paste these lines of code. So let me scroll it down. Here we have li tag, and inside of this li tag I have pasted that. So this is the curly brace, and just above it, this is the angular bracket, and just above it I pasted the new code. Okay, then after you should go to assets, open global.js. So this is the file which is over here. Click on global.js, and then you should find find on variant change. So for example, I am copying it using Control F. will have to find it. So here you can see I have two keywords, and in this on variant change, what exactly I have to do is I need to add below line of code just above this if condition. So this if condition means, you can see here this if condition. Okay, just above it I'm going to paste this line of code. So I have added that. Then after, you should add below function definition after the on variant change function definition. So you should copy this, and then after, actually this is the function which is starting from here and ending at this line of code, and just below it I have to define the new function which I have just copied. Okay, so I pasted the code. Then after, you should go to media-gallery.js. So how we will be finding this file? Copy this name and search it here, and here you can see that we have media-gallery.js. So you should click on it, and here what you have to do is you should search this line of code. Maybe you can copy like this using Control F or maybe Command F. Here we have that line, and just below it we can actually paste this code. You should copy this code and paste it just below it. Okay, and then click on save. Also you need to save these changes and this file code also, so you should save. All right, then after you should preview. Click on preview, click on catalog, click on this product. Here we go. Now you can see that only black color images are displaying at the bottom. In the same way, for example, I am clicking on white, so you can see that we have only white color images. If I am clicking on this, you can see only white images are displaying. Similarly, if I am clicking on ice blue, so only ice blue images are displaying. All right, so if you want, you can actually remove that specific open light box. For example, I am putting it no zoom, and then after you can actually refresh it and click on black, so only black color images are displaying. If I'm checking it in my mobile view, so how it will look? It will look like this. Can you see? So this is the mobile view. If I am clicking on any of the image, so it will be sliding, only displaying that specific color images. And if I am switching any other color, so it automatically displays those colors. Similarly, if I am clicking on ice blue, so it only displays ice blue, and if I am selecting this, it works. Okay. So this image is displaying. I will also update the code maybe. So for now, I think it is working fine. Let me refresh it back. See here. I think it looks good. All right. So all the steps which I followed, so those are exactly what I had to do. So let me cross check firstly the images which I added. So you should make sure that in the product page, for example, I have this product, and inside of it we have multiple images. So make sure that each of the image has alt text, because if it has not alt text, then it will have any conflict. I have already given added the documentation here in this down-latest. So here I have already actually written all the code which was required. So yeah, so if you want, I can also provide you this complete file which I have already added, like product-media-gallery.txt. So for example, I am copying this complete code and pasting it right here. So let's see how it looks. Let me save the changes. Click on preview, click on catalog, click on this product, and here we go. You can see that only those specific images are displaying. So actually, because of my internet, this other images are displaying. Okay, otherwise it has no problem. Can you see? All right. Actually, I have this small image, small size. So let me increase this. The first image is displaying. I have to hide it somehow. Okay, I will check and update the code, but right now I think that those images are displaying perfectly, which I had to. So let me see its customization also. So in the customization, yeah, we don't have anything related to customization here. So for say example, I am putting it in the medium. Let me click on save and let me refresh it back. Yeah, Okay, no problem. So I will solve this problem also, which is like on the first image it is displaying white, and other images are displaying perfectly. So actually this is showing because, let me see here. Yeah, because this is not added, I mean display block is not added. Okay, just a second, let me see. And that is the problem with in the phone, I mean mobile view only. So let me see. So for example, I am copying this, and the mobile view is below actually. This is the UL and this is the LI. For example, I am putting this code here. Then let me see. Perfect. So we solved that problem actually. Yeah. Can you see now? Things are working fine. So I think that the problem is solved. The only thing which you had to do here is like go to line number 222, and these two lines you need to add it here. Okay, there is no other change. I mean everything you have to do step by step like I did according to this documentation. But at the end you have to do here is like, let me edit this post also so that you should not be more confused. I'm mentioning here actually, let me see. This is li tag, maybe I can mention like this is like thumbnail global media setting. So let me search this. Yeah, this is twice, so this is not good. So maybe we can point it somewhere. Thumbnail list item slider slide. Let me see. Yeah, these are also twice. So what we can say here is, maybe we can say something like this is the second UL. Yeah, because this is the media, I mean this is the media in product.media loop. So this was the first one and this was the second one. So before going to the second one, yeah, before going to the second one, in the first one we have to go to the li tag, ul and li tag, and maybe we can say something related to slider mobile. In the second slider mobile. Okay, so I'm adding here. Paste below code in the showing the li, and also paste this code in the second slider mobile class. Just a second. So maybe this is ul and this is li, thumbnail list slider slide. So let me copy this. Yeah, this is twice, so maybe we can say that in the first one. So we can say like in the first class of thumbnail dash list. So you should actually copy this thumbnail dash list underscore underscore item slider underscore underscore slide, and automatically you will find the exact line, and then after you should put that code inside of this opening tag. Actually this is li tag, and this is angular bracket, and before it you need to paste these two lines. That's it. So I updated this, and that's it. So that's how we have actually solved this problem. So in the later videos I will also solve similar issues. If you have any problem or something, so you can ask me, I will definitely help you out in that. So let me see if you have any questions or something you asked in my chat. Let me see. So if you have any question or something, please ask me. I'm here for some time. So actually this was the problem for so many people, so I had to solve it somehow. So the question is like, I have a doubt regarding one customization in checkout. Yes, please tell me. So whatever questions you have, you can ask me. I will definitely help you out in that. Actually, I have done the planning related to doing online sessions, so that if you have any problem, technical issues on your stores, so you can discuss with me and I can help you technically, or maybe you can share me the store link and I could quickly give you some small snippets related to design or something for free. Yes. Yeah, please ask me. I am waiting for you. Someone like Sayed Shoaib, he said that, hi sir, I have a doubt regarding one customization in checkout page. So I am waiting for his question. Like, what exactly the problem he has in the checkout page? Can you please explain me in little detail, so that I could understand what exactly you have the problem? If you have any kind of suggestion related to covering any specific topic in the coming live sessions, so I am definitely available for that, and I will do the preparation first, so that I could provide you some useful content. I want to have this on my store page. Yeah, sure. Which theme you are using? Just like I mentioned you, that if you are using any of the free themes, like a down theme, maybe let me show you which are the free themes. So you should go to your dashboard of the store, and here you should click on visit theme store, and you will see here, yeah, here you should click on free themes, and here you can see like we have right theme, refresh, sense, down, origin, spotlight, craft, taste, studio, crave, publisher, color block, trade. So all these themes has the same code, but if you have any other theme, then still I can help you out in that, because I have the solutions for other themes also. So two pictures with a slider. Yeah, we can actually add two pictures with a slider. So the question Shoaib has has talked about is like, actually sir, I am using a release it code form. I set it up for prepared payment, but when customer fills the COD form, cash on delivery form, for doing prepared payment, he is landing on the checkout page of my store. Firstly, I am not aware of release it COD form. So you are using it in your Shopify store or in WordPress? So where exactly? So you need help in Shopify, for example, okay, he had to fill the contact or email once again, because of which I am losing conversions. So is there any way I can remove the email or contact box on my checkout form of my store? Yes, you can actually remove it. If possible, then actually you can connect me on WhatsApp. So I will check your store. Maybe I can give you a small snippet. You can add CSS code and you can remove it. Okay, so Thomex told me like he is using Spotlight theme. So Thomex, you can use same code which I explained in this whole live stream. So it will work for you. And if you are interested to display only two pictures in a slide, so what exactly this means? Two pictures means you have two same color pictures, or what exactly? Can you please explain me a little bit more? Okay, in Shopify, actually in Shopify, we can update it by adding little CSS code. So using CSS, we can actually solve it. Okay. Okay, only two questions I had. So I'm still waiting for you guys, so that if you have any problem with. So can you share your contact info so that I can contact you regarding this matter? I would be great help. Yeah, I already added my contact details in the video description, so you can find it there. So yeah, so one more thing I had to explain to you is that can you see this store? Maybe let me show you. Yeah, this one. So I recently worked on this store. So can you see there are so many things I implemented here, like this is autoplay video. And if I am going to any of the product, for example, this product, I have added these color swatches. I have added this arrow like this. So you can actually add this arrow in your store also. And I have also added this 108 people are viewing this product right now. So this is a kind of marketing strategy which is helping your customers for conversions. So they will imagine like 100 people are coming to your store. So this will be helpful for you. So you can randomly put the numbers. Actually I am right now updating it after 5 seconds or maybe 10 seconds. So you can also set a specific time period, and after that it will update automatically. I have also added a size chart. Here you can see that this is the pop-up I created. And one more thing I added was like for example, is there any product which is not available? So accordingly I have actually added a notify option. So here customer can put the email, and then they can contact. So this kind of thing is also good for you, because if any product is out of stock, so you will be notified, and later on you can actually track your customers. And other than that, there are so many other things in other stores I implemented. So if you have any custom feature to develop or something, so I can do that as well. So let me see more questions if we have. Okay, that's it for now. So I think that I explained all the questions which you had, and later on I will come online daily basis. So you can make a list of all those questions and you can ask me directly. I will definitely try my best to give you the solutions for that. So thank you so much for watching this live stream, and see you in the next live stream. And in the next, I will also create something more for you, more interesting, more amazing. So over there we will discuss more things, and more questions will be solved over there. Okay, so thank you.